JOG Falls is a waterfall on the Sharavati River located in Siddipur Taluk, Uttara Kannada district and its viewpoint. Entry for vehicles and the source of water is located in Sagara Taluk, Shimoga district of Karnataka, India. It is the second highest plunge waterfall in India. It is a segmented waterfall which depends on rain and season to become a plunge waterfall. The falls are major attractions for tourists and is ranked 36th in the list of free-falling waterfalls, 490th in the world by list of waterfalls by total height, 128th in the list of single-drop waterfalls in the world by the Waterfall Database. JOG Falls is created by the Sharavati River dropping 253 meters, 830 feet, making it the third highest waterfall in India after the Nokalaikai Falls with a drop of 335 meters, 1099 feet, in Meghalaya, 12, and the Dudhsagar Falls with a drop of 310 meters, 1020 feet, in Goa. The Sharavati, flowing over a very rocky bed about 250 yards, 230 meters wide, reaches a tremendous chasm, 290 meters, 950 feet deep, and the water comes down in four distinct falls: Raja, Rani, Roarer and Rocket. The Raja Fall comes down in one unbroken column sheer to the depth of 250 meters, 830 feet. Halfway down, it is encountered by the Roarer, which precipitates itself into a vast cup and then rushes violently downwards to meet the Raja. The Rocket shoots downwards in a series of jets. The Rani moves quietly over the mountainside in a sheet of foam. The tourism department has built steps from the viewpoint at the top, where the waterfall can be seen from across, to the bottom of the hill. There are approximately 1,400 steps made to reach the bottom of the hill. Sharavati, a river which rises at Ambutirtha, next to Nanabar, in the Tirthahalli Taluk, Shimoga district, takes a northwesterly course by Fatipetta, receives the Haridravati on the right below Patagup and the Yenhole on the left above Barangi. Then, it bends to the west, precipitates itself down the JOG Falls, aka Gursapa Falls, and passes the village of Gursapa, properly Guru Sap, which is some 30 kilometers, 19 miles away, discharging into the Arabian Sea at Honavar in Uttara Kannada. Associated with the waterfall is the nearby Linganamaki Dam across the Sharavati River. The water released from the dam adds to the beauty of the waterfalls in the monsoon season. The power station has been operational since 1948 and is of 120 megawatts capacity, one of the largest hydroelectric stations in India at that time and a small source of electric power for Karnataka now. The power station was previously named Krishna Rajendra Hydroelectric Project, after the king of Mysore at that time. The name was later changed to Mahatma Gandhi Hydroelectric Project. It was served by the Higher Bhaskara Dam until 1960. After 1960, due to the ideas of Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya, Linganmaki Dam has been used for power generation. The hydroelectric project was conceived by the government of Mysore in mid-1943. A scheme to generate 64,000 horsepower at a cost of 358 lakh rupees was designed. The powerhouse on the right bank of the Gurusapa Dam consists of 4 Francis-type turbines coupled to the generating units of 60 megawatts each. The units are configured to operate at a design head of 47.5 mtrs. An outdoor switchyard is located between the toe of the dam and the powerhouse. Power from the outdoor yard is evacuated through a 220 kV double-circuit transmission line connected to the state grid at Talagappa. The capacity was increased subsequently and currently generates 240 megawatts of power. JOG Falls is situated near Siddipur and Sagara city. Nearest railway stations, distance to the location: Talagappa 13 kilometers, Sagara 30 kilometers, 68 kilometers on the Mangalore-Bombay-Konkan Railway route. Bhatkal, 90 kilometers, also on the Mangalore-Bombay-Konkan Railway route. Nearest bus station: Siddhapura, Sagara, Jog Falls. Nearest center for private road transport is Siddhapura. Nearest airport aerial distance to the location. Domestic: Hubli Airport HBX. Shimoga Airport RQY, 100 kilometers, 62 miles. 133 kilometers, 83 miles. International: Bengaluru International Airport BLR, 422 kilometers, 262 miles. Mangalore International Airport India, formerly Bajpayee Airport IXE, 200 kilometers, 120 miles. Goa Airport GOI, 264 kilometers, 164 miles.